Alright, Aeronautica landing construction update. This ride has been built. That's exciting. As far as yeah, it looks almost done. Like, you've got the building built, like the queue lines put in. Not like the bars or anything, but yeah, there's the operating building right there. Yeah, that looks awesome. As far as the rest of the area, not so much. As you can see, there's not a lot of stuff done. Like, there's still the logo on the Plants vs. Zombies thing. Got some land clearing going in right there. Oh yeah, I see the, no, that's a crane, never mind, I thought it was a sign, but, yeah, this is a, looks like we've got some stuff right there, y'all can see, for, probably the disco. Yeah, you can see this whole little, like, thing right here. Alright, if you look right here, this is the disco right here. Got some bleachers. I don't know why they got bleachers, but yeah, it's pretty cool. For the disco, but yeah, all that black mulch is gonna be where the Nebula's ride is going in. Well, I was wrong. If you look over here, the Nebula's ride is right there. So yeah, this should be a lot of fun. This new area, yeah, it's really exciting. This was put up. Some nice theming on there too. This is gonna be a really fun ride. But yeah, thanks for joining in with us. This is Aeronautica landing construction update. We will see you next time.